Okay guys, we are live. Time is 12:03 a.m. Eastern. This is for the 10th day of Christmas. Just going to copy the names over. There is 66 of you this time. Sorry guys, there's some guys messaging me. There are the names in. We go 3 times in the clubhouse. Time again, 12:03 a.m. Eastern, first random. And time, 12:03 a.m. Eastern, second random. Final random coming up, 12:03 a.m. Eastern, third and final random. James Hammond, you win the 10th day of Christmas. After 3 times, 12:03 a.m. Easterns. James, let me know. Actually, I don't think I have your address. I think I'm gonna have you normally pick up from me. So when you see this, let me know if you want to pick it up, or I can ship it to you. Winner is James Hammond. So, and final timestamp 12:04 a.m. Eastern. You're done. Timestamp 12:04 a.m. Eastern. Congratulations, James. Again, let me know if you want me to ship or if you're going to pick it up. Thanks, everyone. The 11th day is up now.